Hey guys, John here from Info Hut with a quick video on how to save your charging cables, in particular the iPhone cables, because the actual original ones, you can get all these cheap copy ones on eBay. The original ones actually cost quite a bit and they are a bit, how should I say, more effective. These are generally about $40 for the real ones from Apple, and you can save them from fraying like this, doing a simple little trick for a few dollars. And all you need is obviously your frayed charging cable and some heat shrink tubing, which in the link below I'll show you where you can get it from Amazon.com. All you need to do is pretty much cut a small piece. This one is probably about 1.5 inches. Once you do that, you just slide it over the top of where it is frayed. In this one it's pretty bad, so I think I might have to actually even cut the little fray bits away, which is alright. Make sure everything's unplugged when you do this. It's common sense, but just sort of put it out there. Then you just put this rubber tubing over. Like so. So it's actually covering what is frayed, or what is tearing apart, should I say. And then it should be still covering the top over the actual end of the connector. So I'll just show you. And then what you do is you get a hairdryer. In my case, I've got tools, so I've got a heat gun, but a hairdryer actually works just as good. And then you just slowly go around it, and then I'll show you the magic will actually happen. You just slowly heat it. And there we go. And that should simply extend the life of your charging cable. I know people that actually put it on before it even starts to get torn and worn out, because it just generally tends to wear out at this end. So there's something that'll save you a bit of money. And by all means, like this video. In the description below there is a link on where to purchase this heat shrink tube. Thank you, bye.